Hello everyone, we are today discovering and reviewing the Airpods Pro. We will check what's inside the box. So let's open the box and see what is inside. Let's go. Be careful, there is Airpods inside, okay? Be careful. So, okay. Good. As you know, in each box we find the what we call the wireless charging case. This it's okay. Okay, give me the knife. Thank you. So continue. The unboxing. I like this way of unboxing. Great. So try to open the box, please. Just use your hand like this. Go like this. Go. Here we are, and let's see what's inside. Quick. Go. Can I help you? No. Okay. Yes. Great. So in the box we will find the two AirPods and also the wireless charging, the cable also, the cable that we know all. And we have also I don't know what is the name of these things, but in English I don't know. I will write it in the description. And here we have the AirPods. Try to open it, please, for me. Yeah, I have my children who like doing the inbox with me. In the next video we'll see the performance of these AirPods and how we use it and how they work. Great. So like any AirPods, to turn on the AirPods you can just extract the two ports and connect it with your device, your phone or your television. That's all. So I like the charging box. It's amazing, nice design, and also I like the Apple AirPods. They are very nice, and I like they concentrate on details. So I will prepare another video in Arabic for Arabic people and another one for French people. Okay, so let's try it and I will see you in the next video. Bye.